you've encountered security checks on Discord and need to restore full access to your account, follow these steps to resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Verify your email. Check your email for any verification messages from Discord. Click on the verification link provided in the email to confirm your account ownership. Step 2. Complete the CAPTCHA. Log into your Discord account and complete any CAPTCHA challenges presented. This step helps Discord verify that you are not a bot and can restore your access. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. If you haven't already, enable two-factor authentication 2FA on your account. Go to User Settings, select Security, and follow the prompts to set up 2FA using an authentication app or SMS. Step 4. Review account activity. Check your account activity for any suspicious actions. If you notice anything unusual, report it to Discord support. This helps ensure your account is secure and may expedite the restoration process. Step 5. Contact Discord support. Before starting recovery, use the SOC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Discord account after any security checks. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Discord support team for assistance.